Hello, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 6-door Peugeot Expert in a lovely grey. This is a short wheel-based crew cab which does come with 6 seats, 29,000 miles upon the clock, cruise control, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use those satellite navigation apps such as Google Maps and Apple Maps, as well as Waze. This does also come with air conditioning, a 6-speed manual transmission, heating as well. It does also come with parking sensors, and if I do just show you the 3 seats in the back, you can see that they are all cloth lined and there is plenty of room here for rear passengers. And I will just show you the load area in the back as well. As you can see, for a short wheelbase crew cab, it is still rather generous, the amount of space you get in the back of one of these things. Not only is it interior lit, but also ply lined. The bulkhead has no dents in it, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Peugeot Expert, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk, or come to our site in Padworth just outside of Reading to discover more.